Ebusa Omanhene Boakye a oye adwuma edema Owia TV na oye morning show host edi nkomo edi afa enra the sad news and the breaking news are etim eto dwa wa abra Ashanti Achem North MP Ohene Kwame Frimpong dodo na friend OK Frimpong ebeto dwa se FBI ache openeno for scam allegations bia ya level ediatia the sitting MP Emma Bekacho say enra anadwena ana parliament clerk and so the official confirmation no ebeto so na ene Omanhene Boakye emu awuramu e wo sa ensemini mu kwanya how unlawful omofa so eche no he is not just a mere person but an MP, a certain MP for the people or for the good people of Ashanti Achem North enu ti no ene na say nana boma Libya bogane Omanhene Boakye omu nyina no na say omu buafu kakra because ekwanya mofa so eche omu no na enhyeda entwa yi na abusua yen waste time bebre yen wura munye nkoti enkomo a ene how Omanhene efa so di nkomo efa ho afi omo react here concerning OK Frimpong the arrest
Parliament statement omo issue enra na
America for so ye near maybe all I know is say emranti a ye be chi wo mo hai yaw
mental dey na okay
o kai emranti be
involving these and butchery camo
no,
boy about could be offense ni no offense.
Yes,
could be 4 or 5 guys yeah. They notified Ghana. Ghanaians got involved. The Ghanaian military security agencies liaised with them.
Yeah.
Why would you arrest a member of parliament on his way to a place without notifying the nation? Before say there is a breach somewhere.
I mean, no, yeah, drink.
Yeah, what to at least, and can more suspected be Bisano. Musoni Mukranka immediately.
You issue a statement.
You issue a statement to Foreign Affairs or Parliament say one of your own. We suspect say this. Now it involves an American citizen on an intent BB. And I say, you who say, oh yes, we are. It is inimical to our country. And untino. We are drawing your attention to A, B, C, D. But when they are continuing to say they are Venezuela,
warlord Biana
Maduro. I said the Maduro. And they said the Panama, Mokofa, president. Almost sorry, no Panama channel.
Omanhene they make a card and
why is fear and panic?
Yeah, he's a member of parliament. He said, Omanhene, they can write to our parliament.
But you drove on those.
Man has no anything say or no or they. Bemano. So Papa say one final manual. The FBI eventually when they arrest him, they will tell us say, Papa no Kwano, they were negotiating with Ghanaians to bring the individual. And now one for now, and no much. What I say. So when you be I say when you packet to you can
carries
a whole lot of
service passport.
Yeah, they carry service passport. Diplomatic
passport Diplomatic passport makes people immune to arrest. Even if you have all the evidence proving Krana, at that moment the person is innocent until proven by a court of competent jurisdiction. Where you know, according to say, according to say Yahweh, Onipano, the word in chair, the Samudu, Obu, American Senator Bay,
and now Boko,
Anna, African country be suspect, so ye be on his way to a place Obetimako intercepting
outside the generation of the country.
And see,
you dare not.
And when I said they are bullying us, no crack MP no I Bonia. I'm watching. He was arrested on the soil of America.
In possession, allegedly.
Now it was alleged. No, or court. Warehouse and a DA for no monitor he was caught red-handed
in the act.
Where Momo say money laundering. The lawyer
it's not been confirmed
he's involving a financial
that transactions or whether 32
million. Whatever it is, no Yahweh. Yanchi will be Kwansusa. Unia a bullying.
That kind is true. We know
it's a complete bullying. Just say America forward to me say, "Obu to me bibia." MP no Ghana ha. And America for to have
they have to notify Ghana for some we here papa no.
Someone say, "Oh, you're exposed." Amsterdam Airport, Yachiwa. Yachiw. Ghana for only to me Amsterdam Airport. And until on my edge of
neutral ground.
It is a phone crown. You don't treat him like already no mama I saw a criminal.
A fugitive.
You made him like a fugitive. As a mapena chena. They are making it look like ya penwa chena any day. Yenya no ni akote tenona. Yehusu ura ni akocheno. Absolutely wrong. He's not just an ordinary person, bio. He represents a constituency.
Omanhene they now working for yourself. Mranche no kwa nice numna na work one sem no. They live with Ghana security.
I don't know make us say Ghana for the leader FBI for mom gocho. FBI oni kobi boat baby oti.
When you kana untimi
say chichi no offense so omuni baby ofri. But Ghana for any omo e call ben krom say when no my no see American citizens. Oma we are oma for musicant no ye pomo and Ghana has that
international treaty.
And until omo to be ja omo. I am reliably informed American FBI during Odami's time they tried. Odami were not budging.
And for that matter, they couldn't do that.
Odami were not budging. Say, release the boys, you know. And yeah, NDC by no mo pay omo.
They are beyond the one.
But what happened was, you overkai certain issues. Bia, okuje tomu ko kan ya, ekofa some ban no ni dem bi ba ye no.
Obaye.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
When NDC took power,
yes.
Obaye, Donald Trump can say, or the ban be, everybody say your mouth visa one.
Multiple entry visas. So
it became a trade.
Negotiation.
It became a bilateral negotiations. Give us these people and we'll release ABCD. It's at the point in time people even failed to say, Abina Yimrante Nama. But now if it's almost say, Emma Ghana Dimboni. I'm only America bilateral relations, no. Check it. What's in the metro?
I'm to the member of parliament, you know. I think. No, I didn't say parliament. On my
parliament just like that.
Ghana bit my head. At this age, only rely on our mission in Netherlands. Somebody go US.
They bet my yarn say
we don't even know when I
communicate. Send na parliament. Kaso money ye mission a war Netherlands. And definitely so move you know every Netherlands. And now either London and America honoma. They will communicate with our embassy or honoma. Nehu ebia baby omo e movie no edina continue be a parliament e ma ye hunu say omone Ghana's mission e wo
am man for les ombuto
azanti achieve for ete base ya obi on ma base ya wasati ye wo man for by election
akuta from enra na Jonah boys in statistics say omu post to amount for pictures
for by election
no social media the show
nipa honda dey ma
o akuta say o ma ye Erica Martin dey. There's another conversation if okay dana Abudapi. Ono so issues be ma ye di chire by election nesa de mane manti amanfo so start here omudi history be adwuma and I say e na ba beniye speaker no or the Sarajo Asafo style of a unibet na hon ma maybe whatever case you know say it is a bit take
it will travel to some
a better travel for some time na bia Sarajo Asafo dia no.
Yeah, but try to stands now. Ceciano. The man has not been convicted.
Yes. We don't even know the substance.
A song cry be a diatono so why ABC. We don't know. Too early for
anybody
to jump the gun say. Because Yachin because I bet you what say. Mubako did that for posters.
Yes.
In 2-3 months time, they are releasing them. And I be even there will be bilateral and I say diplomatic engagement
and on my I make say some member of parliament as far as parliament is concerned on my he tilts around the majority
now he's with the NDC
he's doing business with the
majority and for that matter no they can also play that slow game no
oh yes
aya ma fe no I say omo kura betimi afoso ani sa if it involves some money bi kura na say ya ban
commodity be cost
and you know the other parties should be very tactical with this so there should be any early jubilation nti oman papa no mejiri say parliament enkoso mo oman no ne hu
but some say yawe
ne nkomo ne nsem
FBI for so wo mo nche kwa
mo
ade a wo say eti ase
mo
oman no kre
FBI will never monitor you
mo
know your flight
number whatever and no destinations
passport or destinations why na dem ma omo
and the airport yeah
that's it
oman no kre
so check in okutuka
for all we know for security reasons the ABI the Ghanaian security agencies are aware
yeah
oman they all come no ya adwon the only problem I mean with the issue is how he was arrested because in FBI there in the history of FBI duties in the past and present omunchi ni pakwa
very good
there could be an alleged prima facie but the procedure of his arrest is my issue now apart from that that is all
Grace my ancient member of parliament so definitely you have a picture of him because yet to be in common everybody they don't even know so let's see him
Ohene Kwame Frimpong a fine
he's a young
man ono parliament me kai so almost sitting bako or yes say obekana sem in chi
yes
Emma the sitting speaker mekai formina MP Andrew Makwasi ama ebusa na say chi na obeka no can somebody translate into English
hands that
capture na no say ono aye nti the clerk of parliament went and omokoje na omode tutu hu say yes nti o say obusa say ne motive or dey yes ade na say o say ukọ nukroma asante achema gugu a ne mmere wane ne nkokora ne twi na omote na sa asem na omode ato nanim se be ya ne constituents be hu sa mpa asem no or the aba parliament abeka ho asem no na omo ka ho asem no opeso o kama omo krom kasa omote and na ye mu bida normally bon say MPC ni ketwi o ka ne brofo no de bia twi anase hausa anase ba ku bia ba be mu ato aso aka ne brofo is on parliamentary but we o meki ni submission ni nyina eni twi nti wa meki mark ni few in parliament wa meki mark o bo adwuma na akota FBI asemi ya yeken me de bebi a misusu me de mani akwakobu se ne wo ka se FBI enche kwai maybe ebi akonta or a member of parliament or a member of Ghana's legislature and nipa sa no se bia FBI kro na trabre Ghana se ye hia no for ebia investigations akota ebia ni release enkonko da form so ebetima kwa akoba se bia FBI for atro dia bre Ghana ebia baako mienu miensa
and
omoteni a deaf ear ebia cooperation because or a member of parliament cooperation between Ghana and FBI for no ebia enkosa ni omusi peno nti ebia akota ya ta hu se ebia fa flight no aba be transit wo Amsterdam na oko London nti definitely o check in ticket a otoye a o check in ni gina electronic and obi monitor system no and akota airline ni ade se kura de more app ni ade a play di tour utimi hwe wo phone so sa track ya eko hu se ababesia so hu nti maybe
na utwa no
agent no ho no mama ayi
agema prepare the first
mo
utwa wie ya obi peso ohu a wonim se watwa ticket number seat number kro obi hu
mo o check in so omu hu se wa check in
yaw
o se akoto bi timi twa ticket no amfo plane no
nine
but we ube check in omu details ni na airport wo omu ebe hu ni na o board flight no so a omu be hu say ampa o board flight
because be on fire so do hono no because of diplomatics na be VVIP
mo obefa VVIP ana se dia omu no say business class ni ade bi obetina
this is FBI
yes
we need to have a discussion with you. Can we go to the office? And when they got there,
I want you every other now.
Okay, so and some no and when you be a uti ye no I don't know your take, but ubet me acha wadwene comment section if you think say ekwa so eche no is it lawful or is unlawful ni nyina ubet me ejira so acha wadwene then we still following the stories the beto dwabia no ye bet me area mu e di update no to me area bro makramo